Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's video is gonna be a video about VLOOKUP formula on the Google Sheet and how we use it. So VLOOKUP is a formula that provided by the Google Sheet application to help you whenever you are work with a bunch of data and you need to find each data by the code. So here I already prepared the data here, and so phi, it will be stand for vertically, so the data must be in a vertical form. So for example, here I already have the code for the item, code and item, and I add this table vertically. So the code is in a vertical mode and the item also vertical mode. So 111 code will be belongs to cup hot, 112 is belong to cup ice, and so on and so on. And how the way we find the name of the item just by adding the code, we use the VLOOKUP formula, and here it says how to use VLOOKUP formula. In the code here, you just need to type the code. For example, is 111. And after that, you just need to go click done here. And to use VLOOKUP is you just need to choose the cell's destination, which is the name item here. And after that, go click in the pencils button and just type a equals and start type VLOOKUP, and there will be appear here. Just need to go click it, and you just need to follow all of the instruction that are in here. And now we just need to go click the search key. So the key is must be the code here that you already filled it before. You just need to go click it, and after that just go add this symbol, go add a space, and we need to input the range. So for the range will be the code data and the item data that we have on this vertically table. So you just need to block everything's here. There you go. And after that, go add another symbol and space and index. So index is gonna be the searches for the name of the item. So we use these two tables. This is the first tables and this one is the second tables. So the index is must be go into the second table, so we just need to go type 2. And after that, go another symbols and is sorted here is you just need to go add the 0, means that it's gonna be like 100% accurate for this data sources. And after you're done, you just need to go click check button, and you can see that 111 will gonna be appear here a cup hot. If you would change the number, for example, you change it into 311 and go click done, here will be change from cup hot into cheesecake. And does it correct? You just need to check into the tables that you have. 311 belongs to cheesecake and it's 100% correct. So that's the way how to use VLOOKUP on your mobile phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.